Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Now hit Face Recognition and enter your current screen lock. Following that, you can tap on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to turn it on or off, and then click on Get Started. Finally, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Over here, you can adjust all of those options however you want to. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!